Hi everyone, this is Marcia. Welcome back to part 2 of my St. Patrick's Day necklace. We're going to finish this up today. It's going to be a short video, more of a show and tell, because I went ahead and I finished everything, so you don't have to sit through me opening and closing jump rings anymore. That gets a bit tedious, doesn't it? I hope everyone's having a good day, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Let me show you what I ended up with, okay? If you haven't seen the video where I started the necklace, part 1 of this, I'll leave a link below. And you'll see how I started, where I ended on that video, and this video, you'll see the changes made. I'm sure some of you already say, wait a minute, that doesn't look the same. Well, I did change it up quite a bit. I ended up keeping it 3 separate necklaces. I had to stay true to myself. In the beginning of that last video, I said I was going to turn this into probably a 3-strand necklace that I didn't really care for. I'm not a fan of the multi-layered necklaces. I don't mind layering necklaces, but I like to do them one by one. Anyway, I made this with the spare parts. I kept this as one necklace by itself. It's simple. You can wear it alone. You can wear it layered, as I just showed you. And you have more choice. If I kept it connected, I'd always have to wear it together. You know, I could still wear it with this, and I'd have that little jingle sound. And I left this. Actually, I took some of these pieces off and I started putting them on the necklace, and I ended up having to put them back on, and they weren't even, so I had to count. It was a mess. But anyway, that's what happens, you know. It's like I said, it's a process, and sometimes you will get through that entire process and end up saying, I don't like it. And I didn't like it the way it was. But now I'm back to 3 necklaces. I'm happy with this. I just think this chain suits this pendant much better. I will wear this. Not sure if I will wear this. I'm not sure if I'd wear them together. But I'm not even sure how long this is. It's a little shorter. That's a 20. So this is probably about an 18-inch. But because the beads are bigger, it probably sits more like a 16, 17-inch. But still, I still used that chain. But I had to, since I used the original chain from this necklace, I had to pull a chain, a clasp from another chain that was in my craft container. So it's something I would have used eventually anyway. So I did have to add a clasp to this. But anyway, I pretty much have this necklace the way it was, even though it was taken apart a little bit. I put it back pretty much the way it was before I took it apart. So that's that. This is one, and this did get changed up a bit because, of course, if you remember, all of this chain was on this necklace with these beads originally. There were more of these beads. I'm trying to think, what did I didn't have much left. Oh, and I used these. Didn't I say I might use those for earrings? I think I did say I was going to might use these for earrings. But anyway, I put it all back together. So enough chit-chat, enough talk, enough. So this is what I ended up with. Let me know what you think. I know Faith Robin thought that 3 would be too much, and I agree with you, Faith Robin, 100%. It just gets too busy. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of the multi-layered. 2 is not too bad. 3 is asking for trouble sometimes. Did you think I did good by leaving it as 3 separate? Just curious, because I'm not going back. This is the way it is. So I'm still working on that pendant that I need to put a bail on. So that still will be coming up. And we have many more projects in our future. And I hope that you will come back and check those out. And if you are first time watching this channel, check out my other videos. I only have a few, and you can get through them pretty quickly. And if you like what you see, consider subscribing and hit that bell. It'll let you know when I post new videos. So that's it for now. Again, happy St. Patrick's Day. Till that next video. Bye-bye.